Come on, you guys. So, what's up, guys? My name's James, and I'm here to play the Flower game. So, yeah, this video is for Zombie Slayer 51. So, yeah. So, I'm doing close game right now, yo. So, God, yeah.
I can't believe it. She didn't wait any time. Look at her over there with that.
So, yeah, yo, guys. Yeah, I'm Jordan.
Voodoo priest. I'm not sure you're not. Huh? Sure enough to know I'm about to whoop his behind. Miranda.
Calvin, I didn't expect to see you here.
Yeah, I bet you didn't. Over here with Luke Boxer.
His name?
Man, I'm not going to shake your hand. Don't be disrespecting me. Hey, son, put your hand up. Ain't nobody touching you. Relax.
Listen, his name is Barry. Okay, Calvin, what's wrong with you? Calm down.
But no. Don't try to flip the script on me now. What's your name, homie?
Calvin, I already told you his name is Barry.
I'm talking to him, not you. And we haven't even been broken up for a day, and you start stepping out on me. Come on,